Wait a minute.
No. Oh, no! Oh, shit! Hey, what?
Will they run away or stay with the water?
Alors, continue, hein. Gérard, t'es vraiment lent. Enfin, après, t'as des ailes, je comprends pas pourquoi tu les utilises pas. C'est pas très...
The damn cat. Barnaby, you gonna be okay? Oh no, oh no. And people worried the cats would eat him, and yet he's the one in charge. Look at the, oh no, Barn. Oh no.
What makes him so happy?
Wow.
What?
The bird is behind the white shield.
I'm still trying to do it. You make it so hard.
Do big birds share food?
What's wrong with Mommy? Why? Mommy does everything for you.
Birds could lose their balance. But Crow's derpiness never ceases to surprise.
Music will it sing?